What's up guys, welcome to the tutorial Python installation. Let's install Python to start programming in Python. First we are downloading on official website python.org. Here you can check versions and more things in this. I already downloaded. I go to on file manager and double click on the Python and let's install. Choose where we install location. I am installing in programming files. I use using a Windows. Let's create a folder Python. Choose the folder. Choose options all users, install for all users. Wait for installation. Now it's installing now. It's installing. That time we are learn about Python. Python mainly used for AI, but it also used for website development. The Django framework is used for this. Many frameworks are available on the Python library, and Python is used for the data science and machine learning also. It will be trending to now. We are found many resources on internet. You can also check out my website for this. I publish some Python and programming related tutorials and material. You can use it. Website link in description. Visit SoftwareTechIT.com. I think it's installing completion. Wait for it. Completion of installation. We are using Python for basic programming today. I am starting soon Python series. Also check out our Android tutorial series. It's successfully installed. Let's check it was installed or not. Go to search bar and type cmd. Python -- version. For check version, it's Python 3.10. Let's pip installation check. Here is your packages are installed in our system. Type Python to run Python and command prompt. Here we will performing addition, creating variable or store values on variable. Here is c equal to a plus b. Here is the output of the program. Python programming is a simple and it will be scripting language. It's not a. Here we directly print hello world. Only type print hello world. Well, hello, welcome to the Python tutorial in SoftwareTechIT. Please check out my website and also subscribe YouTube channel. We are providing tutorials on programming, web development, Android web development, and many more things. Here is installation completed. Now you can start programming in Python. Thank you.